Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a must-watch for anyone venturing into the world of stock market investing. We're going to cover the most common mistakes people make and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, lack of research. First up, not doing enough research before investing. Many beginners jump into the stock market without understanding the companies they're investing in. Research is your armor against bad decisions. Mistake number 2, emotional investing. Emotions can lead to impulsive actions. Buying stocks in a frenzy or selling in a panic can be detrimental. Remember, stay rational and avoid letting emotions drive your decisions. Mistake number 3, ignoring diversification. Putting all your eggs in one basket is a big no-no. Diversification means spreading your investments across different industries and sectors. It minimizes risk and increases your chances of success. Mistake number 4, chasing trends. Don't chase trends blindly. Just because something is hot right now doesn't mean it's a good long-term investment. Be cautious and make informed choices. Mistake number 5, timing the market. Timing the market perfectly is almost impossible. Trying to buy at the lowest point and sell at the highest can lead to missed opportunities. Focus on a long-term strategy instead. Mistake number 6, overlooking fees. Fees can eat into your returns over time. Make sure you understand the fees associated with your investments, like brokerage commissions or mutual fund expenses. Bonus point, seeking professional advice. And here's a bonus tip, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. Their expertise can help you navigate the complexities of the stock market and avoid costly mistakes. So, there you have it. By steering clear of these common mistakes, you're setting yourself up for a smoother journey in the stock market. Remember, knowledge is power. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.